Hey, how's it going? So today's gonna be a little different video. No going around hiking or checking out the local sites. There's a typhoon headed to Guam, so stick around and let's see what happens. So there's storm shutters all around the apartment, all the windows, and also on the back slider. So we'll be closing all of those before the storm hits. So these are the storm shutters that have to close when the typhoon hits. So right now the storm is about 600 miles away, and it has 75 miles sustained mile per hour winds. So supposedly, last we heard, it's heading straight here towards Guam. I usually don't buy extra food. I usually just buy for the week. So, and it's usually just perishable, so I cook whatever I buy that week, so I didn't have any extra food. So everyone's saying in the news to make sure you have extra food and water and stuff like that, so I had to go out to the store and buy some. So this is what I got. Got some bread, some sardines, some canned food, some beef stew, some Chef Boyardee, some candles. Got some granola bars, some crackers, some ramen noodle. Got PB&J, 2 cans of Spam, 2 24 cases of water here, and 2 24 cases of water there. I do have some eggs I'm going to hard boil just in case the power goes out. And then the rest of my food, well, if it goes bad, it goes bad. Not much I can do about that. And we got some extra food for this guy here. All right, we got you some food? Yep. And I had a couple of buckets filled that up with water. So they're saying it's the worst storm or the worst typhoon that's coming out here in the last decade. So I guess it's pretty bad. They said that they have deployed FEMA personnel to come out here. So they arrived yesterday, so they can help with the aftermath, help things with whatever they're going to help with. I don't know. Just like I said, I've never been in a typhoon or what FEMA does. So the wind outside, the weather's pretty good still. A little hard to tell from here, but you know, right now it's the rainy season, so it's typical. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's cloudy. So, well, it's Sunday afternoon right now, and the storm's not supposed to hit till Monday night. So, a lot of the businesses, a lot of the stores, I've seen that they're also boarding up their windows if they don't have storm shutters, or the ones that have storm shutters. Their windows are closed, but like just the front doors are open still, and they've got signs saying they're open. Already the public schools have already said that they are canceling classes. A lot of businesses, that's for Monday, starting Monday. A lot of businesses are also going to be closed. Our company itself is, they've said that we won't be working Monday unless our clients are going to be working, and then we'll go out for the day and see how it is. And if it's bad, then we'll just come home. If the storm really hasn't hit, then we'll go ahead and work that day. But like I said, it's not supposed to hit till Monday night. So I have a little bit of time left. So I guess I'll just keep updating, keep this little vlog going. You know, my guy's trying to eat my buttons here. For my first typhoon in the Pacific Islands, I guess it's going to be interesting to say the least. So, all right. Well, if anything new develops, I'll let you guys know. All right. So we're closing the wind shutters, or the storm shutters, and one of the wing nuts is broken off, and they're seized up. So I got the WD-40 there and trying to lube them up a little bit, but they're pretty stiff. They haven't been used in a long time, I guess. There hasn't had a big storm in a long time, so that's what we get, right? All right, well, I got the shutters on the 2 outside windows for the most part. They were a pain in the ass because they were rusty and stuck and just stuck. Didn't want to move. This bottom one here, it's not lining up, but I'm tired of messing with it for the moment, so I might just tie wire it or just mess with it tomorrow. All right, well, it's Monday morning. It's about 6:30 a.m. and it's a little windy. A little breezy, I should say. I see a little movement in the trees, but so far, nothing bad. So I guess we'll just kind of keep track of it over the day and see how it goes. At this point, my job hasn't been canceled, so I'm heading into work. All right. Yeah, it's Monday morning, and typically these roads pretty busy. People going to work, but it's kind of empty today, you know, because of the storm coming and all. So, but it's kind of funny because you'll see other places, and it's just business as normal. People going about their lives, and then other places it's like end of the world. So it's kind of funny, and you know, as the situation is. So my job was canceled for today, so tomorrow, business as usual, depending on how things turn out tonight. So we'll see how that goes. Car dealerships are all closed up. So at the moment, the storm is about 250 miles away. It's 7:40 Monday morning. Looks like most of the batteries already been bought out. If you need plywood at this point, it looks like you're out of luck. Got a very limited selection of what they got now. All right, so I just came from Home Depot. Well, I'm actually still in the parking lot. Stopped here to pick up a couple of last-minute items. One of my storm shutters, it doesn't close, like the pins don't line up, so I just bought some baling wire to just kind of hold it shut just in case. And then I also picked up two payday candy bars because this is the only place on Guam that I found payday candy bars. Those are pretty good, I think. So stopped by, picked up two of those. And I don't have any tools at the apartment because I'm just here for work long term. So all my tools and everything are back home in California. So I just picked up a pair of vice or channel locks to help tighten down some of those windows because all I had was a little multi-tool. So hopefully that helps. And also like to give props to the Home Depot people because they're in there right now restocking all the shelves, putting everything, I get probably whatever they have in storage, putting it back up, trying to replenish their stock, helping people get like their last minute items, instead of being home taking care of their stuff, their family, like everyone else here is trying to do. They're here helping people. So congrats to Home Depot for staying open this long. Some of the other businesses already closed, but and still some are still open too, so congrats to them as well. So Kmart's quite the opposite today. Everything is nice, calm, quiet. Not like Home Depot. It's kind of like a madhouse. It's easy shopping today here in Kmart. All right, back at the apartment now, and it's still fairly early. It's only like 9 o'clock, almost 9 o'clock. So still pretty calm outside. But like I said, back at the apartment, have all the storm shutters closed. I think I said that yesterday when I was filming, and it makes the apartment super dark. So I got all the lights on, so it's kind of feels weird being in the middle of daytime and just pitch black inside. So it's got a little bit of light creeping from the bottom, but it's still odd. And last night though, it felt like it was just like pitch black. So we'll see how they hold up. You ready for the storm, buddy? You ready for the storm? Yeah? All right. Denny's all boarded up. It says they're open, so let's go take a look. All right, like I said, Denny's was open, so had a Super Bird, got a milkshake to go. I think now I'm just gonna drive down through Tumon, see what's going on over there, see how that's looking. Where is everybody? Wind's starting to pick up. It's about 11 or 12 o'clock right now. All right, well, it's 4 o'clock now, and it's still picking up. It dies down, then it'll pick back up, die back down, pick back up. And each time it seems to get a little stronger. Yeah, you can really feel the wind blowing a whole lot stronger on that side of the building. It's like a bunch of little sparrows over here high and trying to get out of the storm. All right, well, I got dinner cooked, so power goes out, we're set for tonight. All right, we got us some coffee here. So a little bit of coffee, watching the storm go by. What else we gonna do, right? I don't know if you can see it or not, but down there's a cat that the people own, and they always leave him outside, and they've even left him outside tonight during the typhoon. Well, it's definitely picking up. Boy, it is picking up. Well, at 7:06, the grid went down. All right, well, luckily my apartment is equipped with a generator, so now that the power went off, we have a plug. And that is supplied by the generator outside. And I don't know how long it lasts or how many people can hook up to it, but we got that for now. He don't really know what's going on. He's like 5 months old. First typhoon, him and me both. Used to be a really big tree right there. It's gone now, but on the bright side, it's gonna make my view better from my apartment. Someone's car got crunched. A lot of little puppies, huh? All right, well, survived through the night. Looks like a lot of things that damaged, a lot of trees blown over, some signs blown over, and pretty much about it. Signs, trees knocked down, some power lines here and there. So I did all right for my first typhoon. All right. Yeah, that was the big tree I was showing you earlier that fell down. It's improved my view, so at least I got that going for me, huh? All right, well, this typhoon has come and gone. It is officially over. They are doing cleanup now. I took a drive, went down Marine Corps Boulevard or Marine Corps Road, whatever it's called. Went down and quite a few areas. You know, you see people out there with the chainsaws and collecting down trees and sweeping up debris. A lot of the stuff is from palm trees, which you can imagine. So after a couple of days, he's trying to eat my buttons. After a couple of days of dealing with this typhoon, I still can't even pronounce the name. Mangkhut, something like that. It's Mangkhut. So I don't know how to pronounce that, but I don't know how to pronounce half the words out here either. So I would say that a couple of lessons learned for myself for being in a typhoon area is to try to keep supplies that you know you're going to need when the power goes out. You know, stuff to eat, extra water, extra food, stuff that's not going to go bad. You know, like canned food, stuff like that. Other non-perishable food that lasts for a while, and you know, like they say, just kind of rotate that stuff out. And if you live here permanently, permanent resident, you're from here, I would recommend like having like the generator and all the storm shutters and all that stuff, everything, sandbags. Talked to a few people whose homes flooded. So, use these little experiences as learning opportunities. So, if I was to live here full time, I would definitely do more to be ready for the next typhoon, or whatever power outages or whatever else that might occur out here. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Remember to comment, like, subscribe. All right, see you around.